In this video, I want to show you 5 different ways on how to charge your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air. So let's get started right away. In the box, the only thing you get to charge your phone is this USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, nothing else. So method number 1 to charge your phone is, well, connect one end of this cable down below in the USB Type-C port and the other end connected in your computer. Even if it's not a Mac computer, this is a PC. If I connect it to the USB port right over here, USB Type-C, it starts charging my iPhone right away. Method number 2, if you don't want to use a PC, is to simply use a charger. Now, this works with almost any charger that is USB Type-C. This one is made by Apple, and I'll put links in the description, by the way, to everything that I'm showing you right now, so you know what I'm talking about. But simply plug this end over here and plug the charger in your wall outlet. And as you see, it's currently charging. Another way is by using a portable battery. There's so many on the market and they all work practically the same way. You'll need a cable. Connect one end of the cable, this is USB Type-C, and the other end over here in your iPhone, and again it starts charging. This portable battery though has a pretty nice trick, which is that you can also not use any cables with it, which is more practical, especially on the go. You don't want to carry a cable as well. You can simply, since it has a magnet, put it on the back of your phone and it will charge this way. You can still hold your phone, it's comfortable enough, and as you see, the port stays available in case you want to connect something else. Method number 4 on how to charge is by using a wireless charging pad. This is a pretty cheap one. I got it at IKEA, but they sell so many of these on Amazon. There's nothing special about them. You need to connect a USB Type-C in the port of this wireless pad, and then you need to place your phone, and sometimes it's hard to know exactly how to place it. Okay, this is perfect. You see it starts charging, but if you misplace it, for say, let me just remove it, put it back. Okay, it's still working. I'm surprised, but usually if you don't place it centered on it, it will not work. And this is why we go to method number 5, which is a MagSafe charger. This is a MagSafe charger that is made for a desk, which is great, and it has actually a place where you can charge your AirPods as well. But on the top, since it's a MagSafe charger, it will be like a magnet. So you simply have to bring your phone and it will lock in. And obviously this charger needs to be connected to a power outlet, and this way it will start charging. Very practical, especially since this one, you can put your phone and then rearrange it, watch a movie this way, or just have it on the side of your desk ready to be used. It's pretty stable, as you see when I tap on it. It's one of my favorite ways of charging my phone, since I can remove it in just a split second. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, take a moment, check my Amazon links so you can get all these things I showed you. You also support my channel this way. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.